So I want to share with you guys something I just noticed here. I just had this car a couple days too, so I did a walk around. You know, when you purchase them, you always do. You check everything that you possibly check out. There's always things you notice when you get home. I swear, like it never fails. So checked it out, didn't really see anything major, but then I've noticed quite a bit of chips on this wheel. Let me show you here. There's one right here if you can see it. And being that it's a darker color wheel, you can see it easy. Since it sticks out, the silver comes right through it. And there's another one on the same wheel too. If you can see. Let me turn the light on here, you can see it better. There you go. Much better. So, see that one right there? And there's this one right here too. So a little bummed about it. Like I know nothing's perfect. You get them, especially when they slap these cars together. And then on this right side here, let me show you this. This definitely looks like a factory defect. Can you see that right up there? It's like a little indentation. And when you put your finger over it, it's super smooth. So you can tell it was during the casting process, and then when they painted it and cleared it, it went over it. So I don't know exactly what happened there, but it's a little indentation. Like I said, it drives fine, nothing. It's not like it got hit because the clear is perfectly smooth over the top of it, and it looks like it was done in the process. So again, like I said, nothing you can really do about it. You can't really force the dealer to give you new wheels. You know, you just have to live with it. But on these ones here, and here's this one too. This is on that same wheel. So that's the main thing I could say is the two back wheels have quite a bit of chips on it. And the crazy thing is when I bought it, this car had 11 miles on it. So it can't really be driven that much. So, you know, this paint is really close to the wheels. I don't know if it's the same exact color, but it's really close. So I'm going to put some touch-up paint that I have for this paint and see how it looks. Okay, so if you can see there, it definitely blends it in more. I mean, you can still see it because you know it's there, but it definitely does a better job hiding it. I just put 2 light coats of the touch-up paint that I have. And then what I'll do, I'll go back after it dries, and then the bottom of it has a little bit of the clear, and I'll put a little clear coat on top to give it the same sheen as the wheel, and I'll just be happy with that. Like I said, you can't really do anything about it. So what I have noticed when you have darker wheels is everything shows. Even my older ones, the black, had little hairline scratches, you could see it. But if you get like the silver wheels, can't really see that. So, you know, I just don't know really what happened with 11 miles on it. Like I said, it could have been taken off the truck, something. I mean, who knows? And I'll show you the other side here. This was a little easier to blend since it's on the edge here. Again, just 2 coats of the touch-up paint. And then I'll dab, after it dries, a little bit of the clear coat just to kind of blend it back in and just call it good. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, a little bit of a bummer. But if you guys get these wheels, I would definitely pick up some of this touch-up paint for the modern still because it's a really close match. And I'm happy with it. So hope that helps you guys out. Hope everyone's doing good. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.